demonstration of our proposed solution for the problem statement SIS 25027. Ayush Sura Kavach, blockchain for authentic herbal provenance, a platform to solve the critical problem of ensuring botanical traceability of Ayurvedic herbs. It involves two dashboards. Starting with the farmer's dashboard, it features a very easy and simple to understand dashboard for the farmers. You can click on Add Produce, mention the name of the product, add the harvest date, give a description, and then you have to capture your GPS location, which ensures that your harvest is in compliance with the geotagging restrictions. After that, you can upload a photograph of the produce. Uh, a lab testing certificate can also be uploaded, which is optional. Now we can submit the produce, and our produce will be listed on the website. Once the produce has been certified by a lab testing authority or by the NGOs or other stakeholders, it will be labeled as certified as shown here. Second dashboard, which is for all other members of the supply chain, such as manufacturers, producers, as well as the end user. The entire history of the produce can be searched through this portal, which can either be through a QR scan or by manually entering the batch code of the produce. Right now, we'll be going with a manual search. We can enter the batch code here. Here we can see one result. And here the entire history of that produce can be tracked, starting from harvesting to the testing. All the parameters for the various tests are also mentioned here. Right to the shipping details. Even the certificates for the various stages can be viewed by both manufacturers as well as the end user, which ensures authenticity and enhances the reliability.